10 Essential Items You Need in Your Moving Day Survival Kit. Welcome to MovingB.com video on the 10 essential items that you need in your moving day survival kit. Moving can be a daunting task, but with these items, you'll be fully prepared to tackle any challenge that comes your way. So, let's get started. First, packing tape is an essential item in any moving day survival kit. You'll need it to seal up all of your boxes and ensure your items don't fall out or get damaged during the move. Make sure to buy strong packing tape that won't rip or tear easily. Second, moving boxes. Another must-have item for any moving day survival kit is moving boxes. You'll want to make sure you have plenty of boxes in a variety of sizes. They'll help you keep your items organized and make the move much smoother. Third, bubble wrap is a lifesaver when it comes to packing fragile items. It provides a cushion for your items and helps prevent them from breaking during the move. Make sure to stock up on enough bubble wrap to protect all of your delicate items. Fourth, packing paper is another essential item for keeping your items safe during the move. You can use it to wrap your dishes, glasses, and other delicate items. Fifth, moving blankets are thick, heavy-duty blankets that provide a layer of protection to your larger items. You can also use them to wrap fragile items for added protection. Sixth, a hand truck can be a lifesaver when it comes to moving heavy items. It allows you to move large boxes and furniture with ease and saves you from doing it all by hand. Seventh, you'll need a good box cutter to open up your boxes during the unpacking process. Make sure to have a few extra blades on hand, as they can dull quickly. Eighth, cleaning supplies. Moving can be messy, so you'll want to have a few cleaning supplies on hand. Make sure to have a broom, dustpan, and some cleaning sprays or wipes. Ninth, snacks and water. Moving can be exhausting, and you'll need to keep your energy up. Make sure to pack some snacks and water to keep yourself fueled throughout the day. 10th, you'll want to have a first aid kit in case of any accidents or injuries during the move. Make sure to have band-aids, gauze, and other basic medical supplies on hand. And there you have it, the 10 essential items that you need in your moving day survival kit. With these items, you'll be able to tackle any challenge that comes your way and make your moving day a success. Thanks for watching, and happy moving!